A for
apple,
B for
baby,
C for
car,
D for
duck,
E for
egg,
F for
fox,
G for
gorilla,
H for
house,
I for
igloo,
J for
jug,
K for
key,
L for
lemon,
M for
mango,
N for
noodles,
O for
orange,
P for
parrot,
Q for
quill,
R for
rose,
S for
sun,
T for
tree,
U for
uniform,
V for
vase,
W for
watermelon,
X for
xylophone,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra,
let's count 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.